Hey, what's up guys? We are really excited for this video today because we've just been loving YouTube and the potential that we're seeing on it, but we've heard from a lot of you guys that YouTube kind of feels like really hard to get started or intimidating or just not really seeing the potential of making it even from a small channel. Like, we see these YouTubers that, make it huge. They're Peter McKinnon and Casey Neistat and Mr. Beast, and you see how much they're making off a 1 million view video. And sometimes, like, more than encouraging us, it's like kind of just makes it feel so unattainable. Sure. So in this video, we want to just share what we're seeing because we're small fries on YouTube for sure. Like right now we have 66,000 subscribers. Awesome subscribers, by the way.
Thank you.
But in the grand scheme of things, we're tiny YouTubers. So we want to just share with you, like here, we're just going to share exactly our YouTube analytics of this is exactly how much our channel is earning. Because I think it's actually really encouraging and cool.
Yeah, absolutely. So the Income School YouTube channel over the last 28 days, we're showing you the numbers right here on the screen, earned $4,539.
I like Vanna White this with my mouse. It's like underlining a lot.
$4,500. The cool thing about that is that's a full-time salary for a lot of people, right?
Yeah.
That replaces a full-time income. And it's on a channel that while it's been really good for us, we love our YouTube channel. It's not a huge channel, like Jim said.
I think especially because internet marketing is just really competitive.
Yeah. It's hard to get high view counts.
Exactly. Because it's just not like, whoa, this viral SEO video. It's not that kind of thing. So you could get much higher view counts in other niches, and we're actually going to show 2 really cool case studies about this. Yeah. So $4,500 a month from our channel that's right now has 66,000 subscribers.
And that's about 334,000 views in a month across the whole channel. Yeah,
so we did one video last week that in the first 7 days of that one video earned $380.
Yeah.
Which is really cool because once you hit that level, you can start really reinvesting into your channel, have nice lights and video and making it look good, and so it just continues to grow from there. Yeah. So I think it's a really exciting place to be with the channel, but I think for a lot of people, even though we're small fries, this already feels a little intimidating. Like it's just going to take a long time to get to this point. And so we have another case study that some of you are going to see this and be like, that's tiny, and I get that it is, but to me is really exciting because of the potential.
Yeah, and because of what's been put into it. So this next one is the Camper Report YouTube channel. The Camper Report YouTube channel, Jim made 8 videos 2.5 years ago.
Yeah, okay? This is 2016 stuff.
And then you added another video a little bit less than a year ago.
It was like the iPhone 9 days.
And speaking of the iPhone, every one of those videos was just filmed on an iPhone. No lighting, no microphone, no fancy camera, none of that stuff.
Yeah,
you sat down.
Watch a couple minutes of it. Watch like 15 seconds of what it looks like. Hey everybody, I'm Jim from camperreport.com, and in this video I'm going to give you 19 reasons to choose a Class C motorhome and not a Class A. Now, to be clear, I don't have anything against the Class A motorhomes. In fact, I'm buying one right now, but I've done a ton of research over the last weeks and months in the differences between the two and looking at as many as possible, just trying to see which way to go.
Yeah, it's okay, so super basic, right?
Yeah,
it's very easy to film.
I admit it was bad.
But the point was, it was about the information. And honestly, a lot of the things we would do on YouTube now, you just didn't do. Sorry, but those videos aren't just super interesting. They're just really informational.
Yeah, in fact, those were directly from blog posts. I had written those blog posts and I was like, I'll do a video version of this to kind of see what happens. And put them up there. We did no promotion at all of the channel. They just existed on YouTube. Nothing.
And we did them for the purpose of helping to kind of promote the website. The website, right?
Yeah.
And that was the idea, was to get traffic over to the website because the website is where we knew how to make money. But what's happened in the interim is that channel started to get views and it started to get subscribers without adding any new content. It's getting subscribers. And it got to a point where we realized, oh, we're allowed to monetize it. Let's put ads on it.
Okay, so let's jump to the result, right? Okay,
the last 28 days.
So in the last 28 days, this channel with only 8 videos on it earned, well, now it has 9, but whatever, $80.87.
And notice there's some videos on that channel with a lot of views. But a lot of those views were early on in the first 6 months or less.
Yeah, if you go to the channel now, you're going to see some videos with like almost 1 million views. And you're like, oh yeah, you made one channel, but it got struck by lightning. Just got super lucky. No, those were non-monetized views years ago. But still, they're getting residual consistent views. 12,000 views in a month. Like that's pretty attainable to get 12,000 views in a month. And still $80.87.
Over the last year, that channel has averaged $88.10 a month. That comes to a total of $1,057.25. I mean, again, with an hour and a half's worth of work, which is about what it took to film these videos and literally just straight upload them to YouTube.
They're not even edited.
Yeah, just upload them straight to YouTube. You earned enough money to pay your cell phone bill.
Yeah, for the last 2.5 years.
Yeah.
And so I don't know. I guess it depends on you, how you view that. I think some people say, oh, I'm never going to get to this being the significant kind of investment you want. I think the kind of person that probably succeeds as an internet entrepreneur is who sees anything that works at small scale and says, I'm going to pour gasoline on this. Let's go to town. And then you say okay, let's just put more volume. I've proven the concept and boom. And all of a sudden you're like, okay, now it's the kind of channel that we are now. That's still a small fry, but is, earning $4,500 a month just from the YouTube ads. And the other thing we have to say here is, this is our tiniest revenue source right now from the YouTube channels, is what YouTube is actually paying us. Obviously, we earn a lot more from the online courses, from affiliate that we do, giving affiliate links to our hosting, whatever, that we mention on the channel. That's way, way, way bigger than this. But if that seems unattainable, you can do it on a smaller scale, and and even the YouTube ads are going to work. And even if our YouTube channel's level of success seems unattainable, even with a much smaller one, it's still pretty cool.
I'm actually super excited about the Camper Report channel and kind of have some big plans for it. In terms of just adding more content that will be able to earn good ad revenue, but also just monetizing that channel further. We have the website to go with it. We're just not doing with it what we absolutely should. So YouTube is really just a huge opportunity for internet marketers today.
Yeah, and that's really what we wanted to share with you in this video, is just to kind of show you what's possible with a small channel. I think I at least have been ignoring this too much, and now we're starting to think there's a real business here in just being a YouTube channel, even a small one.
Not bad.